Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on this beauty. I'm already feeling myself, like it's curly, it's bouncing. But yeah, keep watching if you want a full in-depth review and first impressions on this wig. So I got this Outre wig and this is what it looks like. But I got it and what I'm hoping is this color, but right now it's looking really dark in the package. It's in the style Amber. The color is DR425. So let's bust it open. Oh, it's the color! Yes! Perfect. So this is a curly unit. I wanted a newer one because the other one that I have, I kind of ruined it. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about this curl pattern though. Like, I have to play with it a little bit. They have this really tacked down. Oh, it's hard lace. I don't like how this is packaged. Like the hard lace is attached to some foam and some more shit. But, you know. I mean, it feels really soft straight out the package. I do like it to look bigger. So, I'm going to have to see tangle before shampooing. It says you can shampoo, conditioner, and blow dry, air dry it or diffuse it. So I'm assuming like this will probably get like bigger as you work with it. So first I'm just cut everything off and plop it on my head right away. I really don't like that all this extra foam and stuff came on it. Like, I'm used to the tissue paper being on the inside to hold the shape, of course. Silica gel to get rid of any moisture, but they really did the most with packaging this one. But yeah. So yeah, I think that this is pretty close. This one's a little bit more pinky, but yeah. Impressions straight out the pack. I'm not loving it. I think I need to play with it a little bit, so I'm gonna go do that and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so first impressions out of the package, it was kind of flat. I think I just needed to spruce it up a little bit. I cut off the lace, and then I didn't put concealer on my part, which I don't really need it because I have the new cap, but I probably will later. I just kind of wanted to get this on so I could talk to it with you. This is exactly what I was looking for. I wish that the curls were a tighter pattern. This is the exact color because I was going for this color in a curly pattern, and it was perfect. So I think this wig, it's a different brand. This is an Outre wig, but it matched perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. I do think it needs a little bit more layers in it, but I'm not going to do that myself because I'll end up messing up the wig. It's a really soft texture. I'm kind of scared to see how it's going to react when I actually wash it and stuff, because I just co-wash my wigs every so often when they're looking a little raggedy. That's why I wear them for so long. Yeah. So far so good. Outre, you did a great job with this amber wig, and the coloring is perfect, and the parting is not terrible at all. I feel like the other curly wig that I had, it's an Outre one as well, and I did not have the tweeze that part either. I just put concealer on it, and it looked good. The Outre Amber wig, which I'll show you guys the card again. It's an L part wig. I think I paid like $27.99 or something on Sam's Beauty. It wasn't that expensive at all. Or, no. This one was on sale. I think this one was $18.99. The other wig that I make a video about too, it was $27.99. I paid like $60, including the shipping for both of them. It wasn't even that bad. And I ordered these on Sunday. It is now Thursday. And they came a day early. Like, I was supposed to get them delivered tomorrow. But, you know, I heard ding dong. It was like, oh, look at my wigs. But I had to wait to film this video. Like, I really wanted to wear one out today. just be extra, just flowing. But yeah, that's all I have to say about this wig right now. I will come back to you guys though with the actual how the wig wears and stuff. I think I'm gonna do like a 1 month update on it. So yeah, or let me know how soon you guys want to see an update on this wig. Yeah. But if you have any other questions about it, comment it below and I'll interact with you guys in the comments. So thanks for watching. Bye.